Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this Windows 10 lag problem. Or this also works for Windows 11, so let's get started. The first thing that you have to do is to go to Start and then click on this gear icon settings, and we're gonna make this bigger so you can see everything. And now here we're gonna go to privacy, and here we go on general, and we're gonna disable everything here, and go to speech and make sure this is disabled as well, it's on off. Then go on type of personalization, go on off. Diagnostic feedback, this is optional here. Then go to activity history. I'm gonna do this and clear this. Okay, then click on location and then make sure everything is disabled here. Even when you scroll down, make sure everything is disabled. And here we're gonna clear this as well. Then go to camera, and then if you want them to access your apps need to access camera, disable it or enable. I'm gonna disable it. Microphone, make sure you let it on, so enable it, let it enabled. Voice activation, let it enabled. Notifications we can disable. Then go to account information, off. Contacts, off. Calendar, off. Phone calls, if you need this, then you put it on. I don't need it, so I'm gonna turn it off. And this as well on off. And then we're gonna scroll down. Go on email. If you use email, of course, let this off, left this on. I'm gonna disable it because I don't use it here. Off here, and this is as well. Background apps, this is a huge part of it, just gone off. Background apps, off here. Documents, that off again. Pictures. And that's pretty much it. And after you've done all of this and you selected which you need on and off, just close this and you can restart your PC and see how it works. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.